couple of years ago, I had taken these two containers. They were clear glass, and I had put some purple paint that had some glitter in it, rolled it around, and it coated the entire. You put it on the inside, and then it coats it like it's that color, and then it's protected because it has the glass on the outside, and it's really shimmering. It was quite a few years ago, and now I'm redoing my bathroom, and I love the purple, and I want to keep it. They just need an updo. I keep my cotton balls and my Q-tips in them, so I want to decorate them up so they'll give a new facelift to my new bathroom. So we're going to add a few little bling here and there, and we'll see what they come up with. Here's what I've done. I put some silver tape that this bling tape around, glued it around the edge, around the rim, like that. So I don't know if you can see it from that angle. Okay, there it is. And then I put these peacock gems that I had gotten from Amazon, and I think those look really pretty on the front of it. It's got the purple and the iridescent, and then I put some little rhinestones on there. And then I added some of the floral bling wrap on the top. I think that turned out really pretty like that. I think that's what I want. Also, while I was at it, I found this Yankee candle that I've had, and I'm working on it. I glued the floral, it's purple candle. All my stuff in my bathroom is purple. I put the floral bling on each end of it, and I found this old in my jewelry thing, and I'm going to doll that up a little bit, but right now it's gluey, it's drying. I found this wire basket in one of those gift bags you get for Christmas, you know, of all your shampoos and your sponges and all that stuff. And so I added some of the peacock bling gems on the basket, alternated, and then I put some rhinestone. I'm going to put another rim of rhinestone on there. And then I think I'm going to put some purple flowers in there, some hydrangeas. I think that'll be pretty. And I'm moving on. So my candle is drying. I painted her. She's going to need another coat of that purple because it's showing through. I put little rhinestones around the little gem. That looks really pretty for that candle. On my basket, I put the other ring of bling on there, and I also attached this cute little butterfly that I got at the Dollar Tree. So I think that's going to be a really cute setup with those so far. I've got a few more things that I want to do to bling up my bathroom, plus just revamp it all together. But that's my start. All right, here are my finished 3 projects on a tray that I had bought from the when my store went out of business in the floral department at 90% off. I think it looks really nice as the accents. It's really pretty. And if we look over here, there is the tray. I did some washcloths, rolled them up, put them in the basket, hung it on the wall. I think that looks really nice all together. Looks really pretty. I'm pleased with it.